Jay Yoder from Water Tower Podcast. This is me unboxing the new iPhone SE 128 gigabytes. So this nice cupcake here. Oh, got a nice poop emoji down here. Here it is, in all its glory. Look at that. Wow, box. Expensive box. Awesome. Look at that. Let's open this bad boy up. Let's see here. Here it is. It's an iPhone. It's red. It's about this big. I have normal size hands for a white guy, I guess. Yeah, there's some headphones. This thing. Yeah, there you go. iPhone 128 gigabytes. So the reason I got the new iPhone SE is because I'm an iPhone guy and I usually get a model and keep it for 3 or 4 years, and you know Apple usually slows things down, it seems like. But I got this Galaxy 3A XL, which was also about $400, I believe. Bigger screen, represent Lindsay Olives. But you know, fuck Android. I hate it. I don't know. This is the first Android I had, and I hear people say there's good things about them, and I guess it's an okay phone. But when you use an Apple, it just feels like more natural, in my opinion. And figure out try out the new SE since it was comparable in price to this, $400, and I'll trade this in. But yeah, anyways, that's why I decided to go back to an iPhone.